Here are some questions about YouTube handle. How long can my YouTube handle be? Handles can be between 3 and 30 characters in length. What if I don't select a YouTube handle? If you don't select a handle by November 14, 2022, YouTube will automatically assign you one. You can change this handle at any point. What are the things you can do with a YouTube handle? 1. Get noticed in Shorts. 2. Identify yourself in a unique way. 3. People can tag you in videos. 4. Let others find you on YouTube. And 5. Connect with others in the YouTube community. And now, how do I find someone's YouTube handle? Enter the user's username into the search field at the top of YouTube. For example, if you're looking for the user Shane2123, input the name into the search field and press enter. Click the link name below any of the videos that come up to visit the user's profile. How to create a YouTube handle. Go to youtube.com/handle on a computer or a mobile device with the YouTube app. Select Choose Handle or Change Handle. Type in the handle field to check the availability of your preferred handle. You can also choose one of the suggested handles or the pre-filled handle based on your channel name. Once you've found an available handle, click Confirm Selection. If your preferred handle isn't available, it's usually because another channel already selected that handle. What is a YouTube handle? YouTube on Monday, October 10, 2022 said, it will bring handles to its platform. The company shared that creators will be given an option to choose a unique handle name and will be notified when they can choose their handles. A YouTube handle is a new way for people to find you and connect with you. Unlike channel names, handles are unique to each creator, making it easier for you to establish a distinct presence on YouTube. Handle and channel URLs. Your new handle will become a part of your channel URL in most cases. Your personalized URL will become your handle. You can use your handle to direct people to your channel when they are not on YouTube.